guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be getting ready. It's like a fall inspired look. I'm going to a pumpkin patch with my friend and we're gonna like do a little photo shoot and stuff. So I thought I would just share with you guys what I do to get ready to achieve this look. This is what it looks like, super cute. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you know when I post a video. And check the description box below. My social media and stuff is down there. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so first thing I'm doing is starting with my eyes. Okay, I guess I'm not taking tape. We're saving time today and not doing tape because I can't get it to work. So I'm just going to take some concealer as a base and use that all over my eyelids. I'm going to be taking the Morphe 350 palette. I'm just going to take the lightest shade and set that concealer so everything blends over it smoothly. So then I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with a tan color in the crease as like a transition shade. This is so much better if you use tape. It turns out so much better, but like I don't have any that sticks to my face right now. Okay. Just like normal Scotch tape is what I normally would use. Next, we are going to take a little bit of a darker orangey brown and put it in the outer V and up into the crease a little bit. Next, I'm taking a more red brown. It's like reddish orange. Putting that in the outer V. Come back and blend that with our first color that we used. We'll just have to clean everything up with concealer. Okay, then I'm going in with a darker red brown and going in the crease or the outer V, I mean. Okay, I'm going to just go in and blend it out with some shades we've already used. I'm gonna go in with a dark brown now. Just at that V. I'm gonna try and clean things up. So it's gonna take concealer and like I can clean up the edges and make that straight line that you would get with tape. Okay, so I'm gonna lighten it up by going in with a lighter color towards the inner corner of my eye and a little onto the lid. Going to go in and create a wing. Okay, and that's my wing, and we're gonna move into my face. Okay, zoomed y'all out a little bit. We're moving on to my face. Okay, zoomed y'all out just a little bit, and we're moving on to my face. So I have this IT Cosmetics CC cream in light. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face pretty much. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. My hair ended up looking horrible. So that kind of stinks, but oh well. Okay, so now I'm just going in with concealer. I'm gonna take this little Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer sample. And I'm just gonna go over any blemishes with a little brush. Going to go under my eyes with this as well. I have horrible, horrible under eye circles. Like, they're bad. I'm gonna take a lighter concealer and go under my eyes again. brightens things up. I'm gonna go in and contour my nose because I'm going to take pictures. So I want to be snatched, obviously. So I'm gonna contour it just a little bit. I'm taking this Airspun powder. I'm gonna set underneath my eyes. I actually really like this powder. Like, it was super cheap and it comes with a lot in it and it works really nicely. People used to like rave about this powder. Okay, so I am actually going to curl my lashes, put on some mascara first before doing the falsies. Just so they blend nice with my actual lashes. And these are some pretty intense falsies, but they're the only ones that I have. And they look like good in pictures. Okay, so while my mascara dries, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm out of my eyebrow pencil, so I have to use this eyeshadow, and it's like too dark, but I guess we're gonna have to just use it. I'm just gonna try and sparingly fill them in. Okay. That's gonna just have to work. I'm gonna go in and wipe this off, this powder, and go in and like set the rest of my face real quick. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my falsies. So is it looking like that? And I'm gonna go back in and finish my eyeshadow. So to finish my eyeshadow, I'm just taking these red colors and putting them, smoking them like underneath my lash line, and then going in with a more shimmer color on my inner corner. I take it up a little bit onto the lid. I have to finish up my face. So, bronzing. Okay, so I'm all bronzed up. Now I need to go in with some blush. Okay, so most important step, of course, is highlight. So I'm just gonna highlight everywhere pretty much. Alright guys, my camera died, sorry, so I had to go ahead and finish up really quick, and I'm just gonna make this outro super fast. So I used the Tarteist lip paint in the color Front Row, by the way, for my lips, and this is just the final look. And it didn't turn out too bad. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please, please, please subscribe to my channel and check out the description box below. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.